Hello everyone, I'm Lynn from Mockingbird in Maine, and welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I've done a video. It was sometime this past summer. So if you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you are a subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. I have a bunch of content planned for this year, and so to get back on track, I'm starting with an unboxing video. Your Creative Studio generously reached out to me again and sent me one of their stationery subscription boxes to show you, and I'm also going to do a couple of projects with what's inside this week, so I'll either have one or two more videos depending on how long they are. And they've sent me a box a couple of years ago. I'll link that unboxing video down below. And I'll also, of course, link their website if you are interested. You can do a monthly subscription, and oftentimes they will offer past boxes for individual sale if they have leftovers. And these are jam-packed. I have avoided watching any of the videos lately because I want to be surprised. I'm assuming it's a baking theme. And if it is, that is fabulous, because the newest bundle from the Graphics Fairy that was released this week is also a baking theme. So I can see some baking themed junk journals in my future. So let's take a look inside. If you are interested, there are a lot of other creators here on YouTube who make unboxing videos for Your Creative Studio, as well as projects with the goodies inside. And my favorite is Tanya at Let's Design Creative. I'll link her YouTube channel down below. She does some really fabulous projects with the stuff in the boxes. Okay. Let me get it. I'm going to put it aside while we look. I'll make sure I'm... All right. Oh, where to begin? That's what it looks like. So let's just start. Washi tape. Oh, that's pretty. That's nice. What is this? The little pretzels. What is that? Oh, these might be stickers. Oh, how fun. Cinnamon roll bread. Yeah, I believe they are stickers. Very cute. Baked goods. I keep losing my voice, but I do have some tea here with honey. And time machine stickers. And here we have vellum. So see, they're a little translucent. Oh, I think they're stickers as well. Cute. And then these are sheets. Oh, I love that one. The retro advertisements. Okay. And then next is, oh, a wood stamp. Oh, I love it. Oh, another stamp. I don't know why I'm fighting with it. Let's just use our scissors. Dessert with a cherry on top. These are nice. do a little stamp at the end. Like rub-ons, rolling pins. And then this is some kind of paper, let's see. Paper sheets. Oh, those would be nice to collage with. Very nice. And more rub-on transfers. I guess these are stickers, not rub-ons. Love them. So pretty. With the refrigerator. Oh, I like the scale. Very nice. And oh my goodness. Some clear stamps. I like all the baking utensils. Hopefully that's focused. And little collage paper bits. Let's see. Vellum. Oh, they feel like they might be stickers as well. Some vellum. Pretty. Oh, love it. Mushrooms. And then paper pieces. I got a cat here misbehaving. Oh, not the mushroom. Oh, I like those too. Okay, I'm thinking of some ideas. So, oh, I like the ticket. Well, that's a nice textured, is there two? Yeah. Textured paper. Okay. Whoops. And then paper ephemera. All kinds of sheets, and these are a good size. Oh, nice. This is nice. Oh, love it. Oh, these are great for backgrounds. You could use them as on journal pages as well. Create a page with them. This one you could fold like that, put it in a journal. That one as well. I guess they're just repeated here. Yep. Okay. And then, oh, the same in vellum. I love vellum. I don't know about you guys. I love it. Oh, I love those too. Love those. You can even use the background of the packaging. So, that is it. Well, let me grab an ink pad. Do I have one right here? Hold on. Do walnut ink. Okay. Let me just grab a piece of white paper. Here we go. And then I'm not going to take the clear stamps out, but there you go. All right. Well, I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be doing some projects with these like I mentioned, and all the relevant links will be down below. I hope everyone's doing well. I've missed you guys, and take care, happy creating, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.